In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an Asana intake and request workflow step by step. Creating an efficient intake process in Asana can be a game changer for managing team requests. We'll begin by setting up a new project that will serve as the central hub for all requests. To start, navigate to Asana Home and click on plus New Project. You'll want to name it something intuitive like Request Intake or Team Request Hub. This project will house all incoming requests, so naming it clearly is key. When deciding on the layout, you have two great options: List View for straightforward tracking or Board View, which provides a more visual, Kanban-style layout. Both have their advantages, so choose based on your preference and team style. Organizing this project is crucial, so set up sections or columns to represent different stages of the request process. Common stages include new request, under review, approved in progress, waiting for info, and completed. This setup ensures every request has a clear path and each team member knows where each task stands. Next, let's build a request form. Open your request intake project, locate the Customize menu at the top right corner, and select Forms, then choose Create Form. This form will help capture all necessary information for each request, streamlining the initial intake process. Be sure to add fields like request title, request type, priority, due date, and any additional details or attachments needed. Remember, every form submission will automatically generate a new task in the project, keeping everything organized from the get-go. To further streamline your workflow, we'll automate task assignments and routing using Asana rules. These rules can designate specific tasks to certain individuals, such as an intake manager, and auto-move tasks to the under review section when they're first submitted. You might also set rules to automatically assign requests to specific team leads based on the type of request, such as assigning all design-related requests to the design lead. Automation like this ensures tasks land with the right person without the need for manual sorting, saving you valuable time and effort. Now, creating different views for easy tracking is another efficient way to stay on top of requests. Calendar View lets you visualize deadlines, while Timeline View helps you manage overlapping requests. Additionally, using a custom saved search can help you filter tasks by priority, assignee, or request type, offering a tailored overview of your project. Finally, it's important to communicate and collaborate effectively within Asana. Use task comments instead of email threads for clearer communication. Tag teammates using @mentions, and attach any supporting files directly within each task to keep all necessary information in one place. To ensure the workflow remains effective, monitor its progress regularly using Asana reporting. Look at things like the number of requests per week, average completion time, and the percentage of urgent versus normal requests. As any bottlenecks appear, be ready to adjust your processes to maintain efficiency and keep everything running smoothly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to establishing a robust Asana intake and request workflow.